Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry cabin air filter. First, clear out your glove box entirely. Next, make sure you have the right replacement filter for your specific Camry model. Some models might require a small Phillips head screwdriver, so have one handy just in case. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your car's air quality. Now let's access the filter. On the right side of the glove box, you'll find a small dampener arm, gently disconnected. Then, press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops. This will allow the glove box to swing down completely, revealing the rectangular housing that contains your cabin air filter. With the housing exposed, unclip the two tabs on the cover and remove it. You'll then see the old cabin air filter. Carefully pull it straight out. Before inserting the new filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow must point in the correct direction, usually downwards, to ensure proper filtration. Now slide your new filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow points correctly. Snap the housing cover back into place, making sure both clips engage securely. Finally, lift the glove box and push its sides inward to re-engage the stops, then reattach the dampener arm. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.